Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error remote host. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just click here and then type control panel, click on it, and now after that go to Java. Maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, just select smile icons and here we'll find Java. Now go to advanced and then scroll down until you find here advanced security settings, and first one you'll find like that, just turn it on, then apply and OK. And now just close this window and don't forget to restart your PC. And if you find here update and restart, click on it, and then just if you find just restart, just click on it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.